I'm excited for the episode I have for you today, guys. We are in Kanombe and I'm about to show you one nice house. It's not something that we see every day and it's not really expensively priced. This house that is behind me is a nice 4 bedrooms, newly constructed house. It's a 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's in Kanombe with 2 parking space and it looks inviting. I love the colors, I love everything about it, and it's on the market for 90 million Rwandan francs or $80,000. Please find the contact details and property link in the description down below if you're looking for more information. And now let's start this episode. Now, this house is located in Kanombe and the neighborhood itself is nice. So we have new houses. Literally, if you were here 1 year ago, this place was empty. I have a couple of videos I made about last year. You'll find them in these corners. So you have a reference of how this neighborhood has evolved. But when you come to the house itself is fantastic. It looks pretty inviting. I mean, I love the design features you can see even just from the outside, like these carved walls. You have suspended decoration niches. You have some nice rooftop here that looks like something is gonna be covering this front yard. And I love that it comes with a package of decorations throughout this property. The parking space, you can fit in here 2 cars. To see the space, let me bring in this car. Let's see how it works. All right, with this car in, you can see that you still have, so much space to park at least 1 big car. If you had this size, maybe an extra 2. The front yard of this particular home is very, very nice. I mean, I love the color mixture they went with. You have this kind of yellowish and white and some little bit of chocolate. They look fantastic. They marry into each other really, really good, and they bring the front facade of this house to look fantastic. I love these kind of custom made kind of picture windows that they went with here. They look beautiful, and of course they complement well with the vases that you have throughout the property, these niches for your decorations that you find just by the entrance of the home. And again, with the lack of garden, I would say they kind of try to add a little bit of vases everywhere to kind of complement this space. For instance, you have this mini garden niche by the house. You have some more niches again at the back of the property, which kind of complements this property very, very well. Now let's get inside. The home itself inside is actually even well designed. When you take these stairs and actually use these are 2 sliding doors that attach on the side, you are invited to this beautiful open floor plan. I mean, look at this space. High ceilings, nice truss of tiles, gypsum ceilings above, and then with a nice chandelier in the middle. You have your space for your living area, you have your space for the dining area, and again you have your open kitchen on this side. I love the way they use this space. It looks beautiful. I mean, the fact that there is no wall in the middle side makes this place looks huge. And there's no echoes, so it's fantastic. Of course, the use of space as well is nice. You have your niche for your stove, you have your niche for your fridge, and of course, plenty of storage space. Black granite countertops, white finish of MDF to make this whole place looks clean. You have a double sink on this side. You have a mini wine cellar up there, so you can squeeze in your wine bottles. It makes this kitchen looks nice, and you have this nice bar on this side. You know, I love when developers leave such a detail because it shows you how you can be practical with your space with some nice pendant lights on the top. It makes this whole environment of the living room really nice. Of course, the structure of this house, we have the first bedroom on this side. It's a guest bedroom, and then we have three more bedrooms on that side that share 2 bathrooms. Now let's check this one out. When you enter this bedroom, you can notice on the get-go that it's actually a good space of a bedroom. You know, you can fit a king-size bed in here actually and be left with space for your closet. Of course, most houses in Rwanda don't come with closets. You have to build them or buy them yourself as the buyer, but this is a good space enough for your bedroom. Now coming this side, that's where you have the bathroom, and the bathroom is, of course, you remember the carved out section on the outside of the property. That's where this bathroom is located. I love this walk-in shower. It's spacious. The devices are nice as well. Of course, you know, if it would have been covered with the glass separators, could have been fantastic, but it's not there. You have your toilet and your vanity on this side. You have some tiles that goes all the way to the top. Tell me in the comments below, what do you think of these tiles? Are they nice? And just let's have a conversation. And of course, this is a guest bedroom, and when we continue this side, that's where we see the remaining 3 bedrooms. Usually people ask, why do you have a bedroom in the living room? In the Rwandan culture, we receive a lot of guests that stay overnight, or 2 or 3. So it's good that you have your family section and have one room that is just reserved for your guests. Coming back this side, we have 2 bedrooms that share a bathroom. So this is another bedroom. I mean, I love the size of these bedrooms. They are really spacious and enough for you to use. This can fit a queen size bed, and you have left space that you can use for your closet as well. This is the 3rd bedroom as well. Phenomenal size, queen size bed can fit easily, and then you would be left again with space for your closet. I love the way that they were generous with bedrooms in this house. Going this way, that's where we find the bathroom that these 2 bedrooms share. Again, similar finishes to what we just saw. One little detail I didn't mention is the tiles. They have these nice non-slippery tiles. They kind of match well with what they have in the rest of the bathroom, but again, they are safe so that if you have water, you don't slip and fall. Again, nice setup. You have your walk-in toilet and you have your vanity on this side. Tiles that goes all the way to the top. Now, the master bedroom is located this way, and the master bedroom, before you enter, you have this kind of general landing. This is where you will have like an extra closet or your shoe rack, something like that. That's an entrance to the bathroom. We'll tour it in a second. And again, you get to the master, which is this big. It's designed for space, you know, with space in mind. You have your head would be located this side because you have your plugs here. I would count around 6 plugs in this bedroom. Fantastic job. And you have your light controlling on this side as well, on the side of the bed. So if you need to plug your phone, you know, everything you need, you will just have space for it. This side, they have left plugs for your TV. I don't know why they didn't put it on that wall, but they are on this side. So if you want to hang a TV, I bet it will be this location where you have your bed on that side. Overall, this bedroom is spacious enough, and it has some design that is different for the ceilings as well. Now, let's check out the master bathroom. Now, this is the master bathroom, and the master bathroom as well is well finished with similar finishes that we saw in the remaining of the bathrooms, except you have a floating vanity that comes with a mirror that has a pocket in the background where you can store stuff. This comes as a full set, and you have your toilet on this side, similar finishes of the tiles, and you have your walk-in that is spacious on this side. The walk-in is spacious as in it can extend all the way to here, so it's easy to install your glass panels if you want to put it. One extra feature here, you know, the house is installed with all the hot lines and cold lines, so it's easy and it's comfortable for whoever who will buy it. That's it for the episode. We checked out this beautiful home out here in Kanombe. It's a 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, located in a nice area, suburb of Rwanda, and it comes with all the details that would fit a nice modern home in these days. This home is on the market for 90 million Rwandan francs or $80,000. Find our contact details and more details in the description down below. If you want to drop it, give us a call, WhatsApp us, we'll be available. I didn't call you to subscribe. Please remember to subscribe if you're new here. We post content like this on a regular basis. Drop us a like, and again, tell us in the comments what you think about this property. We love to show you things like these on a regular basis, and until next time.